Straight down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, next is to remove the cam gears. We've got the inlet side and the exhaust side. I've turned it so that it's at top dead center on the compression stroke, so the woodruff key is at the top. It does do twice, so you need to make sure you're on the compression stroke. The two little marks line up. I'll insert a photo. To show that it's at top dead center, and then there is one mark down here, and that lines up with the two marks on the side of the exhaust one there. So it says to remove the inlet one first.
Straight down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split
That's the cam.
open, gears in a row, under the light
The push
of the
rods.
shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide,
And the exhaust side.
the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong. Oh, knurled on the edge and a socket in the head, a stringy Allen bolt in the crankcase bed. Organized chaos.
And this mechanism is the decompression for when it's starting.